Hey, it's Brent with Lawhon Home Team and PRB.
And I'm Jennifer, and welcome to Crestview.
That's right, a brand new home community right here in Clermont, Florida. And if you'd like to learn more about Clermont, Florida, click on the link above.
Yeah, this new home community is a small gated community, about under 300 homes, and they still have several lots available. So if you're interested, now would be the time to give us a call.
Yeah, so come on this tour.
Crestview has many lots that allows you views to see Clermont's rolling hills, and at night you can see Disney fireworks. This community also features a resort-style pool, and there's a flex field right outside of the pool and a cabana. Fun for the entire family.
The St. Thomas is a single-story family home which price ranges from about $413,000 and is 2,055 square feet. Enjoy your formal dining room, breakfast nook, and chef-inspired kitchen. Watch your favorite shows in the family room. Enjoy a large, open owner suite. Private commode, walk-in shower, double sinks, and soak in the tub. Down the foyer is your guest bedroom's bathroom connecting both.
Next up is the Anastasia Home model. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5, 2-story home, 2,582 square feet, and starting price is just under $430,000. Let's take a look. The Anastasia model features a nice open floor plan. You have a large kitchen with plenty of counter space. There is room for a dining area, as well as your living room, which would be great for your entertaining. Check out the high ceilings. Just off the living room is where you will find the master bedroom. The other bedrooms will be featured upstairs. The master bedroom is quite decent in size, with a beautiful master bath. There's a nice little loft area upstairs, which we'll see more of as we head up to the second floor. However, another room featured in the downstairs is a flex room, which you could use as an office or even a game room. Now let's head upstairs and see what that has to offer for you. As you get to the top of the stairs, it overlooks the whole living room and area downstairs. Now upstairs, there is another large bedroom. This bedroom also has its own bathroom. This would be great for guests and other family members. Now there is an option to close off that open area next to the loft, and you can have an extra room upstairs. What comes with the base model is this loft area. Then we have another bedroom right here. Still a good sized bedroom. And one more bedroom as well. I gotta say, these bedrooms offer lots of room for your items. Overall, this is a beautiful floor model with plenty of options that you can choose from while designing your own home. There is a half bathroom downstairs just off the entranceway. The laundry room is also downstairs. Let's take one last look at this beautiful kitchen. And by the way, there is an option to turn this kitchen into a gourmet kitchen, which is what this home model features. If you'd like to learn more about the Orlando area and things to do, please download our Orlando Relocation Guide. And if you're enjoying our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any real estate questions or questions about the area, please feel free to call us at the number.